What can you do in Abu Dhabi in 24 hours? My aim is to see 3 places. If I'm lucky, I can see an extra one. Visiting the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a must. It's one of the largest mosques in the world and it's a free entrance for Muslims and non-Muslims. If you like fancy hotels, check out the Emirates Palace Hotel. It's too fancy for me, but I enjoy watching it. That's also free. After being overwhelmed in that bougie hotel, just come to the beach, put your mind at ease. When your belly's feeling empty, you must go to the shopping mall. Food over there, let's just say your taste buds will feel like it's in another dimension. Right, let's get to it. This is the Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. It's known as the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is one of the largest mosques in the world. So right here is where you begin, which is the plaza, where all the food quarters are really good at selling. Their sales technique is on point. They let me try something out. It was like this, some crispy waffle thing around, and inside was all stuffed with pistachio cream, coated in shredded pistachio. Oh my gosh, it was so nice. So before you enter the Grand Mosque, you have to come to this place first. You got to read these instructions. So obviously you got to be fully covered, fully respected. These guys trying to improvise. Are they okay? Okay. So she's dressed in all hood. We got mum here putting her jumper as a scarf. She can't go in because she got a seafood top, almost like a seafood top. Now we're going to get in everyone's way because there's loads of people taking photos, and it's not our fault because it's really packed up with a lot of people. You're going to have to come really early, guys, and admire all of this. Let's go in and check it out. As you can see, this mosque covers around 30 acres, accommodating over 40,000 worshippers. Most of these materials are from all around the globe. From Italy, Germany, Morocco, India, Turkey, Malaysia, Iran, China, United Kingdom, and so on. The mosaics, the intricate details, the glass works. Also, this place holds a Guinness World Record of the largest hand-knotted carpets, largest chandeliers in the world as well. This beautiful mosque is also open to everybody. Non-Muslims, Muslims, all visitors. And as you know, before entering, you really have to dress appropriately, respectfully according to their rules. I was also told another thing as well. One of the sheikh that built this place, he's buried next to this mosque, and I was told it's against the religion to bury yourself right next to your house. This is pure marble, pure Greek marble. One thing I advise is make sure you come extra early because you get a lot of people coming here and it'll be really crowded. You won't be able to take the right photos, the beautiful photos that you want to take. So I would say this seems like it's the right time, nice and early. I would say 9 o'clock. Not to wear any flags representing anything. No hand gestures when you're taking photos, and I was just told you can't make a video and talk about the mosque in the mosque. So I do apologize about that. Just giving good information. Don't mean no harm, guys. As we don't get that much information when we come here, we just get told off when we come in, but that's okay. That's the largest chandelier in the world. Oh my god. I'm mistaken for the wrong one. Okay. To be honest with you, I wasn't too sure if that was the largest chandelier. So no male and female can touch each other. You cannot touch the opposite sex. So you have to follow the line here. They're really organized. Remember what I said, if you guys don't come early, look at this, look at the escalators, look how many people's coming in right now. We've got to rush to get a taxi. Okay, yep, lovely, we've got the Uber's right here. Off to the next destination. I'm probably going to speed up the video as there's so much to see, and I'm sure for everyone's eyes, people get bored seeing it in slow motion. This is the Emirates Palace Hotel. As you can see, hardly anybody is here, which means if you come here in the morning or around 12:30. It's a Saturday, the weekend, and I was told around 5 o'clock, all of this here that's empty is gonna pack up. As you already know, Abu Dhabi is immaculate. Intricate details, absolutely clean. Friendly, hospitality is on point. You gotta respect the rules. That's it. That's all I can say. It's just nice. Like, look at the detail. You gotta respect the art. All the materials and fabrics from all around the world, from different countries, imported here and made to this as it is. Look at it. Look at the service. I mean, it's really beautiful, but it's not my thing. I'm not a bougie type of person. I just found out they do afternoon tea. Isn't that a British thing? The Emiratis are doing afternoon tea. So this is the smoking area. Enjoy the view while you're smoking. Beautiful, huh? You like? Okay. And you got the beach down there. Nobody down there. I don't know if it's open for the public or is it private. Got 10% left, and I've got one more battery available. And I've got, let's say, what, around 12 hours in Abu Dhabi. They've also got free Wi-Fi in here. Right, let's call one of my friends. He's been dying to travel with me, but unfortunately, this guy's always working. What happened? Hello? I think I've got poor connection. Oh wow, look at the hieroglyphics. Did you know that I can read hieroglyphics? Here is the umbrella, the chair, yep, terrace. You can drink your coffee. The answer's here anyways. Right, I need to go to the toilet. Let's check out the royal toilet. Okay. Look at the royal sink. Royal mat, tissue. And look at that. To wipe your hands. I feel like I've seen everything already. Apart from the rooms. Don't think we're allowed in there. So guys, I have to rush again. I'm gonna show you the outside view as I didn't even see the outside view. Yeah, this video is a bit rushed. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you every single thing. See, there you go, gotta rush back again. This is what happens when you're traveling with family. You gotta rush and you don't have time to show intricate stuff. At the Corniche beach now. 6 minutes away from the Grand Palace. You can see it all the way down there. You can see a lot of stuff. You can see a lot of beautiful landscapes here. You can go with bikini, you can go in there with scarf. But I don't think women are allowed to go there braless. You got the restaurants on the right hand side, coffee shops, you got entertainment further down there. And straight ahead you got all the cities. You can see all the beautiful views down there. You got the lifeguards there. The security guard told me I can't record with my GoPro because he was talking about the zoom, but I don't really have great zoom with this. I was gonna give you a finger, but I'll give you a thumb.
He's basically saying that being a YouTuber is very difficult. Is it?
With family, yeah. Because you want to enjoy stuff with the family and you want to kind of record more scenes, but you can't. You have to multitask, and it can be really annoying. It can be really great because they do bring the vibe with the, well, being a YouTuber, or not being a YouTuber, they can bring the vibe when you're recording and give you good information. And then sometimes it can be really annoying because we have to rush around and do a few things and everyone wants two different things. So I mean, it happens, but hey, we're still enjoying ourselves. Patience. I need a drink of water. Not patience, I need a drink of water. Oh. Yeah, it's drinking water. I drank it before I read the sign. But she's got a bottle. The bottle's there. That's bottle. This is your mouth.
Maybe it's just open.
It just open?
Yes.
As in it's a new place, or it's open now?
It's just open now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so these are the prices. Starting from 15, it's like around £3.60, £3.50. You get your meal and you can,
It's cheaper.
Yeah, it's a really good price. And you can just, get your food and sit here and eat. Huh? Do you work here?
Yes.
Okay. Who's a customer? So we're going for 2 peach, vegetable samosa.
Peach and
Yeah, but you're meant to be off today.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you miss work?
Of course, it's still working.
You miss work?
It's part of customer service.
You need to be just like.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, really nice. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Perfect.
So this is the private beach, the gate number 6. It's £10.50 per person, which is £3.
Less £2.
Which is around £2.50 to get into a private beach if you don't want too many people around you. You get right here. You get all of this. Vegetable samosas. Not much flavour, but I'm asking people if they know any shopping mall nearby. They don't know what that mall is. I'm trying to find different names of it, but they still don't understand. So I'm gonna just go along with what I see and go from there. So it's just really hard. I mean, I can kind of speak the broken Arabic, but I can't. They won't probably understand what I'm saying. So I'm gonna try to run across the road. I think it's allowed. I think. Yep. Okay. See, but this is a shopping mall, or it's probably a shopping mall that is newly built or slowly up and coming. So this is called the United Square. Okay, so I guess every big center or mall has specific names. This is what happens when you don't research. Okay, this looks like it's just opened. It's really empty. There's nothing in here. This ain't a shopping mall. This is definitely not a shopping mall.
Or maybe that.
What in here? Excuse me, you speak English? English? You don't speak English? Okay. I think he doesn't want to speak to me. Excuse me? Do you know where shopping mall is?
Sorry?
Shopping center.
Shopping center?
Yeah. This one here?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. By foot and by car?
Yeah, by foot and by car.
Okay, alright, thank you. There we are. So we've got a creamy pasta with mushroom. Oh, perfect. It's so good. It's creamy, not too heavy, not too thick. Full of flavour. You can taste the cheese, taste the cream. I can't describe the flavours. This is as much as I could do in 24 hours in Abu Dhabi. Till next time, guys. See you then.